Welcome to the 21st tutorial for understanding ARM processor programming using Kale Mu Vision 3. So in this program we will see how to use i2c. i2c stands for inter-integrated circuit. So normally in i2c we can attach up to 128 different microprocessor or controllers with one single master. Other would be slaves. So uh, with further ado, let's move to our main program. In this we can see we have made two main functions which are i2c transfer byte. In this we will transfer our byte, and over here it is our interrupt service subroutine i2c interrupt service routine. And first we will see our over here as we have read. So this do nothing but i2c, it is i2c interrupt uh, subroutine. Okay, I would prefer you to go through this code. It is pretty hard to explain, so it's quite big, so I would prefer you to go through this code and understand it by yourself, as comments are given over here. And then as we can see in our transfer bit byte, we can see that we have waited for interrupt to signal and for i2c activities, and then we have set i2c bus as active, and then we place address and data to global to be used by the interrupt, and then we clear the i2c setting and enable the i2c interface, and we are given a start condition for i2c. And in our main program, as you can see, we have initialized our lock flag, which is lock is equal to 0, and then we select a priority slot for given interrupt, and then we pass the address of interrupt request into the VIC slot, and then we enable the interrupt, and then we switch GPIOs to i2c pins. So this is nothing but switching our pins as i2c pins, and then we set bit rate to 14.7546 megahertz. And moving forward, we have written the data on the i2c memory over here. This is how we do. So this is why we have made our function i2c transfer byte, and then also we set our address to 0, and after that we read the data back, and then we go to a while when loop in which our main program will be present. Thank you for watching. So this is how i2c programming is done in ARM processor.